Take a look at our new Essentials Carry-All Tote. Now you can get this tote when you host your very own 31 Gifts party. Now let's take a closer look at this tote that has got multiple uses for it. Now it has these handles here that you can just put over the arm to be able to carry. It also does have a long, adjustable, detachable strap for you to carry it over your shoulder, or you can wear it crossbody to make it easy and comfortable to be hands-free to carry it from one place to another. On the front here, you can see that it can be personalized. It does have a zipper pocket, and then on the back, it has another pocket that is thermal lined so that you can put your snacks, your drinks, whatever you'd like in here. Now, you can look on the inside. It does have a zipper closure to it, but it has a PVC lining all the way around this tote. And it has these straps that are elastic to be able to hold items in place. So this would be great to be able to use for travel. If you have a child that's in dance recitals, this would be great for a makeup artist, hairstylist, even a mobile pet groomer. This would be the perfect tote for you. Okay, again, this is the Essentials Carry-All Tote when you host your own 31 Gifts party this fall.